Mbote! Hello guys, welcome back on another lesson from Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you're new here or this is your first time watching this channel, welcome. Please like the video, comment and share with your friends and families. And if you're serious about learning Lingala language, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss any future lesson. And if you want to connect with me on social media, you can add me on Snapchat by typing the love gracias. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Lingala Academy. Also, if you want to join the group that I created on Instagram to help you improve or practice your Lingala language with me or any member in the group, feel free to send me your message at Lingala Academy. Again, at Lingala Academy on Instagram, then I can add you into the group. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to say what in Lingala. And I will give you some common sentences that you can ask using the word what in Lingala. What in Lingala means nini, ni. And if you want to use it as an interjection, you just need to increase your intonation or your pitch. For example, if you want to say what in Lingala, you will say nini. Question: what do you mean or what did you say in Lingala is olobi nini. What did you do in Lingala is osali nini. What have you done in Lingala is osalaki nini. What do you want? Or what do you need in Lingala is olingi nini. Olingi nini bebe. Olingi nini bebe. Like in Gaz Mawete song, it means what do you want, baby? Olingi nini, olingi nini. Yolingi nini, baby, yolingi nini. Soki pe bambongo na pesa. Soki polingi bilamba na somba. Sheri balobi olelaka belo Oi. This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy.
or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time.